We are in a third grade math class and we're learning area and perimeter of quadrilaterals. And so this is my sample class. And for the hook-in, good morning class.
Good morning.
Good morning, thanks. For the hook-in, we're going to be making quadrilaterals out of marshmallows and toothpicks. And the marshmallows will represent the vertices, while the toothpicks will represent the sides. So I've already passed out marshmallows and toothpicks. Could you please make me a quadrilateral? Thank you, class. You're doing great. This activity is efficient because it is fun and all kids love marshmallows. And it definitely refreshes them on polygons and four-sided shapes. This is a perfect quadrilateral. All right, so we are learning area and perimeter, guys. Does anyone know anything about area and perimeter? No one. You do.
Area is what's inside.
Area, yes. This is a gifted third grade math class. And we are using a sixth grader for the thing. Okay. Yes, area is, this is our shape, and area is what is inside the shape, right? So do you have any idea what perimeter is? I'm going to go in further detail, but what is perimeter, do you think?
It's but around.
Around. That's really great. You're really great. Correct. You are really good at perimeter. Okay. So the perimeter is the length around the shape. And to determine, first we're going to start off with area. Area is the amount inside the shape. To find this, we will multiply. What is multiply, guys? Timesing. Perfect. The width and the length of the shape. And so we're going to do this by, if you can see over here on this little example, 2 times 4 equals 8. And that will be multiplying the length times the width, which is 2 times 4, and it will equal 8. You're so great at this. Good job. I'm so proud of you. And the rest of you guys. Okay. And so that is the area. That is how to find the amount inside the shape. Okay. Next, we're moving on to perimeter. Perimeter is the length around the shape. The length means like what it is all the way around, like the length of it. So to find this, we add all the sides, which as you remember, these are all of our sides on the little toothpicks. This is 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, where each of these have a different amount, length that they equal. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 gives us the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, what would you do?
Perimeter, you would add each of the sides.
Add each of the sides. Great. So each of these sides will equal
10.
10. Good job. Okay. So for our first independent / group activity with the invisible person right next to her, I'll be passing out these different colorful shapes, and they have different patterns on it, and it'll go in a line along with this worksheet, and each worksheet question is aligned with the shape, the back of the shape, and they will find the area and perimeter of each of these shapes and align it with an answer on the worksheet, okay? So the first question, it says, my perimeter is 28, my area is 48, which pattern shape am I? Well, for them it'd probably be easier to find what each of these shapes, like what each of them equal, like what the estimate of each area and perimeter of them is. So I'll be giving this to you. And you can connect it with the worksheet that correlates with it. You can also write on the little squares too, a pattern. And then when you fill it in, you write down which pattern it goes with. So this is the star pattern, the bird, the triangle, circle, and stripes. Do you need any help?
Yes.
You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Okay, class. Let's share the answers of what we got for each of these shapes. So for the circle shape, with the 4 centimeter length and the 5 centimeter width, what did you get?
I got the perimeter is 18 and the area is 20.
Good job. All right, for the star shape with the length of 9 centimeters and a width of 0 centimeters, what is the perimeter and area did you get?
The perimeter is 18 and the area is 0.
Nice, really nice. You did great. With the triangle shape of 9 centimeter width and a length of 6 centimeters, what did you get?
The perimeter is 30 and the area is 54.
Perfect. Okay. With the bird shape of a 6 centimeter length and an 8 centimeter width, what did you get, ma'am?
The perimeter is 28 and the area is 48.
Perfect. I'm really proud of you. You did really great. Give all your guys a pat on the back for good job. Nice, nice. Okay. So as you can see, does anyone have any questions about area and perimeter? Oh, I think you have a question. What is your question, ma'am? What would you like me to refresh on?
Is there another way you can do perimeter? Like times?
Oh, we haven't got to that step yet, but yes. Thanks for being so advanced. Yes. If it was all equal lengths on each, if we were doing squares that have all equal lengths, yes, you can times it by how many sides it is by one measurement. Do you understand that? Yeah. But right now, we're focusing on adding each of these, the basics. Nice. Okay. So we have a little assessment for each student, and this will be like what they will do. Because we've already done our group activity, our groups that we have right here. And so this is our little assessment, and it is just basically shapes, and they will find out with the given measurements, the areas, and the perimeters of each shape, you know what I mean? So I'll give that to you. There was a PowerPoint aligned with this presentation, but as you can see, we have no smartboard, so this will have to work as an alternative. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. All right, thank you for tuning in to my presentation on area and perimeter. That is all.